Best vacuum cleaner for carpet.
How to deep clean your carpet. Deep cleaning your carpet can offer benefits including getting rid of dust mites and allergens, not to mention dirt. You will need a carpet, a vacuum cleaner, a traffic lane cleaner, a deep cleaning machine, manufacturer's instructions, cleaning solution, and water. Step 1. Vacuum your carpet thoroughly. Step 2. Apply a traffic lane cleaner to areas of the carpet that are stained or heavily soiled with grease, oil, and dirt. Step 3. Clean the carpet with a deep cleaning machine, following the manufacturer's instructions. The deep cleaner forces a mixture of cleaning solution and water deep into the carpet while vacuuming out the dirt and liquid. As an alternative to purchasing a deep cleaning machine, consider renting one. Step 4. Allow the carpet to dry. Although the deep cleaning machine will extract most of the moisture from your carpet, it will still take several hours to dry completely.
Top 10 Best Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet among the whole. Let's get started with the list. List number 10. Bissell Zing Rewind Bagless Canister Vacuum. It is a convenient whole home cleaning system. Its lightweight, compact design makes traveling upstairs with the floor brush easy, especially. Main features: cyclonic action and powerful suction, multi-surface cleaning, 3-stage filtration, easy empty dirt cup. List number 9. Eureka Mite Canister Vacuum. Nullify. Imported. Lightweight and liftable. Powerful clean 812 amp motor. Easy empty dust bag remove. It has 3 available colors. List number 8. Bissell Lightweight Stick Vacuum. For use on carpet, bare floors, stairs, and upholstery. Combination stick and handheld vacuum cleaner. It has 4 available colors. List number 7. Bissell Upright Deep Cleaner. 4-row dual rotating. Scrubs and lifts away. 2-in-1 water tank. Includes a removable nozzle. Lint screen. List number 6. Carpet Deodorizer Bundle Vacuum. 1-pass technology provides powerful, non-stop suction, multi-level filtration, long-lasting fragrance, releases pet hair and dirt. Best vacuum cleaner for carpet. List number 5. ECOVACS DEEBOT Robotic Vacuum. Large lithium battery capacity. 17HRS long-lasting cleaning. A 3-in-1. V-shaped rolling brush. Designed to remove messes. Cross door sills and recharge automatically. List number 4. Portable Carpet Cleaner. Removes tough spots and stains from carpet, stairs. 5 flex hose. Includes 6 stair tool. 3 tough stain tool. Long reach 22 power cord. List number 3. Carpet Deodorizer Bundle. Lightweight vacuum. Powerful suction. Long-lasting fragrance. Eliminates tough pet odors. Releases pet hair and dirt. List number 2. Shark Navigator Lift Away Professional. Lift away. Press a button to lift the canister away. Easily clean hard to reach areas. 2-in-1 vacuum. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. Powerful and lightweight. List number 1. Hoover Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. Help extend the life of your carpet with the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. Designed to clean many carpeted and fabric surfaces in and around your home. Make cleaning a breeze with spill-free tanks. Main features: Lightweight, weighs less than 19 pounds. Easy to fill, empty and clean. Counter-rotating brushes spin. Automatic detergent mixing system. Best vacuum cleaner for carpet. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video.